Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, stability control, remote power door locks, running boards, navigation system, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, keyless go, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.